Welcome, everyone. My name is Nick Hershey. I'm the president of the Mortgage Calculator. We are a lender that operates differently than any other lender out there. So I'd like to thank everybody for joining us. I'll go through a short presentation and explain what makes us unique and special. After that, we'll pass it over to Kyle Hershey, our COO, who will actually show some of the software we've developed and how everything works on the back end. So let me start by sharing my screen here, and hopefully most of you have joined from this page. But let me explain a little bit more about what we mean here. So as I stated before, we are not your traditional mortgage lender. We have a background in marketing and technology, and we are truly a mortgage technology company. So we've written every line of code for everything you're about to see, and it is a proprietary lending platform that includes a CRM POS LOS, along with the AI built in, which basically allows new or veteran loan officers to scale up your business instantly. Just plug into our system, and you can generate new leads every single day from the activities you're already doing. So let me explain a little bit more about how this works. So first off, the business model. So we're approved with over 135 total lenders and investors. That includes 28 non-deal correspondent, where we're the lender, and 122 broker partners, where we broker a wholesale loan. What that means for everybody here, we're always going to have the best rates and pricing. Typically, that's going to be at one of our in-house loan programs, only over 5,000 in-house loan programs where we're the lender. We're going to fund the loan with our own funds, draw our own docs. But if there's any reason we can't do that, we want to make sure we use one of our 122 brokered partners so that we have a home for that loan. That way we have access to every loan program that exists in the marketplace. So we have everything from conventional, VA, USDA, FHA, non-QM, DSCR. Those are the types of deals we fund in-house. Once we start going outside the box to commercial, fix and flip, ground up, mixed use, CDFI, SBA, things like that, those are the types of deals we partner with a wholesale lender to broker the loan. What's important is we have a home for every deal that comes through the door. And how do we make this all happen? Again, it's all about our proprietary technology. So again, we've written every line of code for everything you're about to see. It all starts with our AI-powered lead generating website. This is just one page of that you're looking at here, but it is a fully integrated POS, CRM, and LOS, which Kyle will show you a little bit more behind the scenes here in a second. What's important for everybody here on the call, one login for you as a loan officer, one login for your customer. No matter which one of our hundreds of banks, investors, or lenders we use, or thousands of programs, there's just one place for you and your customer at all times. And with our system, you can pull instant rate quotes from our 5,000 plus in-house loan programs and even get updates as the markets change throughout the day. And with our systems here, our prospects can come in from just a basic name, email, or phone number to pulling their own live rates, completing their own 1003, pulling their own credit, getting that all synced into our system with a fully completed 1003 ready to go for you without you having to lift a finger. And we are able to do that with all of our integrations. We have over 50 API integrations with all the technology partners you might have used before. So we use an Encompass-based LOS system, but no need to log into Encompass. You can control it fully with our system and our API there. We use Optimal Blue for pricing. No logins needed. Just click the button and you get instant pricing. And we have 5 AMCs integrated at the click of a button. You get the point there. Everything is integrated into the system. And we also have our AI built into our dual AWS. So a lot of platforms have dual AWS, Fannie and Freddie, side by side. We take that a step further to make sure our AI analyzes to see which is going to be best for our borrower in that exact situation. So there's great use of our AI there. And we also use our Calvin AI Loan Officer Assistant to go through every updated approval, go through all the conditions, analyze those, and even request documents from your borrowers, and do things like our AI assist features like request updated title, request insurance, and all that kind of great stuff goes on automatically. So great use of AI there to help you guys every step of the way. And we are very passionate about our trainings and support. We're all 100% remote here, so we want to make sure you have all the tools at your fingertips at all times. Now, typically, that's going to be in our online training and learning center. It's basically our classroom. So, a 24/7, 365, you can jump in there, take new courses, upgrade your skills, even get new licenses. We have a partnership with the mortgage school, so you can take new courses there to add new states to your licenses. Or if you're not licensed yet, you can use our discount there to get your pre-licensed education and get your license. And of course, we also have discounts on your yearly CE as well with our partnership. So great use of our partnership there. And we have live weekly loan officer video trainings, basically a video podcast there. And we have thousands of hours of videos of recordings for structuring loans, clearing conditions, and all that kind of great stuff. Everything you would need is searchable in the system there instantly. And we have our real-time loan support. You can jump in there. And since we're all remote, they can still get face-to-face with you, take over your screen, get you unstuck, help you structure your deals, and close those loans. And you see those hours are extended there, 11 to 7 Eastern. And we have our Calvin Compliance AI program with all the federal and state regulations, so you can always get an instant answer there from our Calvin Compliance AI. And the final category here, definitely something we love to do. Obviously, we can close any type of loan in our 30 licensed states, and we do have 6 more pending. but we love to close our DSCR business purpose loans, and we can do that in 15 additional states with no additional license required. So great opportunity for everybody here to expand your footprint without necessarily having to get more licenses. And we have all kinds of different ways we generate leads. Kyle will show you here in a second. Just understand it's a simple 50-50 split when we get into the compensation here. And if you want to generate your own leads, you can purchase those. We take our campaigns, copy those, put your budget behind them, and that way you can earn full compensation if you want to generate your own leads. Kyle will show you how that works in a second. And if you're already generating leads, you can also import those in real time with our webhook there, which Kyle will show you here in a second as well. And we have a cool feature where you can click a button at any time to refer deals to your teammates. Maybe you're not licensed in that state. Maybe you're not full-time yet. Maybe you've never done that loan type. Click that button, earn 75 basis points working with your teammates there. And as Kyle mentioned before we went live, we love to meet everybody in person at least once per year since we're all remote. We do our annual retreat here and VIP yacht party here in Miami, cover the hotel room for our team, and past speakers include people like Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank and Marcus Lemonis from The Profit. So a great chance to meet everybody in person at least once per year. And now let's get into the compensation plans. So first up here on the left, we'll go over our standard loan officer compensation plan. You can earn up to 200 basis points. That's going to be 150 basis points on your self-generated loans. That's 1.5% of the loan amount in commission. And a 50-50 split on company leads means you will earn 75 basis points or 0.75% of the loan amount on company leads there. And you can click that button to refer deals to your teammates at any time for 75 basis points or 0.75% of the loan amount commission. And you have an opportunity to earn 50 basis point bonus for any volume over 2 million. We want to build a platform and a system for you guys to scale up and get as much comp back to you as we can. And everybody has access to all the company leads. Kyle will show you here in a second. Just understand it's that simple 50-50 split there above. And there are no monthly fees or transaction fees here on this plan. And it does include the website, CRM, POS, LOS, AI. Everything is included free that you are about to see here. Now our new plan, Loan Officer Unlimited. This is more for loan officers that want to take their business into their own hands. You can earn up to 275 basis points, which is 100% commission. So if we charge our customers 275 basis points, you can earn 275 basis points on your self-generated loans. That's 2.75% of the loan amount commission. And 50-50 split on this plan means 137.5 basis points on company leads or 1.375% of the loan amount in commission. You have access to the button to click at any time to refer deals to your teammates for 75 basis points. And some cool features here in our unlimited plan. Automated daily social media post feature that is added, as well as access to some of our premium leads. Kyle will show you here in a second. And we call this Loan Officer Unlimited because it is truly unlimited transactions with no transaction fees. There are other similar models that charge a fee per closing. We do not there. And on this plan, you're just paying $2.99 per month for your platform there. That way you can earn 100% commission. So 2 different ways to approach your business. Feel free to click the button to check out more information and the full breakdown on the plan that you're interested in. But let's go ahead and pass it over to Kyle. We'll actually show how this all looks on the back end. So you ready, Kyle?
Yes, let me go ahead and share my screen. I'm just going to do a little quick demo here, point out a couple of the great features of our system here. So just like any other CRM, you can take your notes, send your emails, send your texts, but you can also have our AI assistant here do that for you. You can set reminder tasks for yourself. You can put people on action plans, drip campaigns to automatically text them and email them on your behalf over time. All that kind of good stuff that most other CRMs do. But what really starts to set our system apart here is our quoting system. So within 2 minutes of getting off the phone with your client, by just inputting a few pieces of info without needing to pull credit, you can click this button, which pulls up all the rates from our different outlets. You select the rates you want to show your client. And within 2 minutes of getting off the phone with them, you can send them a nice quote here that looks like this, that gives them the rate choices you chose to show them. They can scroll over these things to see what they mean. You'll see it automatically pulled in the Google map, the property taxes, the Zestimate, and an actual insurance quote. It has the automatic monthly breakdown of the taxes, insurance, it has the lender fees. And if we scroll down here to the bottom of the quote, not only are you here as the loan originator on your quotes when you send them, but you can also attach realtors to your quotes. So your realtor partners that send you clients, they absolutely love this because they know when they send you a client, not only can you quote them within minutes, but you can also attach them to the quote as well. Now, the best part about all of this is when your client is ready to move forward, they can just click Start My Loan Application at any time. And what that does is takes them right to their borrower portal, which looks like this, where they can start their loan application right here. They don't have to leave the page. They can upload the documents we're going to need. They can see the loan info. They can see the milestone. of where the loan is at, which updates automatically as you go through the loan process on your end. So your client has everything they need here in their borrower portal. Now, let me show you what it looks like on your end in your portal in our CRM POS LOS system here. Once they've submitted an application, notice this application says it's 100% complete. And what happens is as soon as they submit their application, we pull credit instantly and automatically. So your client doesn't have to input their credit card info or anything. They submit their application, we pull credit. So by the time you come in here to click on Compass API to originate the loan, not only is the 1003 already imported into here, but the credit is already pulled and imported, the liabilities are already imported. So everything is here ready for you to originate the loan. Now, I want to point out the dual laws, as Nick was talking about the dual automated underwriting. You click here and it pulls up the automated underwriting for Fannie and Freddie at the same time, side by side. But then our AI actually analyzes it for you to let you know what's going to be best for your client in that particular situation. Now, once your loan is in underwriting, you'll see here, if we scroll down on your same portal here, you get your underwriting conditions. So whether it's your processor or you can come in here, upload documents to fulfill the conditions, or maybe you want to dispute the condition to kick it back to the underwriter. Whatever the case may be, you have everything here. So this is how we can take somebody from being a lead, just a name, email, phone number, to communicating with them in our system, quoting them, gathering their application, their documents, pulling their credit, originating the loan, fulfilling conditions, all of this in one system with one login for you and one login for your client. So now let's talk about where these leads come from in the first place. So we have more of a marketing background, so we don't purchase leads from third parties. All of our leads are exclusive from our own ad campaigns. And what happens is when somebody clicks on one of our ads, like I have an example here, this may be a type of ad we may run for one of our bank statement type loans. So somebody clicks on one of our ads, they double opt in to be contacted, and you're sent a text message immediately so that you can call that lead. So I have a little screenshot here of my test account. So this is my test account. You'll see these text messages coming into my account all day with leads. I think there's about an hour's worth of text messages here. And this is what it would look like on your phone with leads coming in. You'll notice I have some purchase leads. I have some business purpose DSCR leads. You'll also notice I have these ones that say hot quotes. Now, what those leads are is not only, those are our premium leads where not only did they submit their name, email, and phone number to be contacted about that loan, they actually submitted the information for us to quote that loan, the loan amount, the LTV, their credit score, all that kind of good stuff. So those are those extra premium leads, those hot quotes that are coming in as well. So again, this is what it would look like on your phone. These are the leads coming in real time from our ad campaigns. Now, another way that we provide you with leads in our system is through our auto dialer. So just like any other auto dialer, you can call 300-400 people in a day. If they don't answer, you can press one button, which drops an automated text and email to them from you and then moves right on to the next call. So you can call hundreds of people in a day, dropping those messages, and we provide the leads in here for you. So there's always thousands of leads for you here to call, always leads here. These are not a bunch of cold call lists. Most of these are opted in leads. We even have lists like realtor lists where you could call a few hundred realtors in a day to build those referral relationships. So there's always calls for you to do in the auto dialer here as well. Now, another way to work leads in our system is that you can have us run a campaign for you. So maybe you want to run your own lead campaign and don't know how to do that. We have our ad campaign tab here where if you want to purchase a lead campaign, what we do is we copy our campaign that we know works. We put your budget on it, and those leads go to you with no lead split, right? So while we give everyone free leads every day at a 50-50 split on the back end, if you want us to run your own campaign for you where you don't have a split on the back end, you can have a campaign ran for you. And again, we just copy our campaign because we know it works. Those go to you with no lead split on the back end. Now, maybe you're already purchasing leads from another third party. Maybe you're getting leads from Zillow or LendingTree. Maybe you run your own Facebook ad campaigns, whatever the case may be. We give you the import leads tab here where we give you your custom webhook to where you can bring those leads in from that third party in real time. So as soon as that lead comes in from that third party you're buying leads from, those are inserted into our CRM instantly and automatically, and then our CRM notifies you instantly so you can call them and quote them and do everything like you would normally with any other lead in our system, even though you're getting it from an outside third party. So essentially every way there is to work leads, we have that built here into the system for you. Now, In addition to that, we also help you generate your own leads. So everybody gets their own custom lead generating website. And we also provide you with some promotion material here. So in your back login, this is what it would look like here. You have your promotion tab here, and you can change the picture anytime and generate new business cards, flyers, posters, brochures. And you'll see that this is, again, you can change the pictures instantly. The QR code scanned to your personal website. All the information here is correct. So we give you all kinds of promotion material as well to generate your own leads. Now, anytime you need assistance here at the Mortgage Calculator, there's this live support button up here in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Whenever you need assistance, you just click that button and you're face-to-face with our team in our live support Zoom room, which is open during business hours. So you can, whether it's something you need with processing or helping quote a loan or disclose a loan or whatever the case is, you can always pop in there and get face-to-face instantly with our team. All right, so now let's talk about the next steps to move forward. So when you're ready to move forward, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/join. That's this page here. And you're going to sign up for the plan that's applicable to you. Now, again, difference between the plans here. You can join on either one. It just matters what you want to do. Essentially, the biggest difference here is that our regular standard loan officer plan, there are no fees, and you're making 150 basis points on self-gen, 75 basis points on company leads, as opposed to our new loan officer unlimited plan. You're essentially paying a monthly fee so that you make 100% of the commission, which would be 275 basis points or 2.75% of loan amount on your self-gen, or 137.5 basis points on company leads. So just different ways to set up your business. Whichever one you want to join on is fine. Once you click here to apply for that plan, it's going to take you right to sign the initial compensation agreement to get started. Now, don't worry, you don't have to sign it right then. It's also going to email you a copy as well, so take your time and review everything. But once you do sign that initial agreement, that's what's going to kick off all of the next steps. Our onboarding team will reach out to walk you through the next steps there. Now, I know some people may be tuned in that are not licensed yet. We do have a partnership with the mortgage school where you can get your license, and we actually reimburse you for the cost of not only the course, but also your NMLS fees, which is unheard of in the industry, right? So if you do still need your license, you can go to themortgagecalculator.com/training, and that course includes everything you need to get your license. It includes the 20-hour national education that's required. It includes whatever state education that your specific state requires. And then it also includes test exams, practice tests, and study material in order for you to pass your exam. So everything you need to get your license is there at themortgagecalculator.com/training. And then again, we actually reimburse you for the costs of the course and your NMLS fees on your first closed loan, which is definitely unheard of in the industry. So if you're already licensed, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/join, which is this page to sign up. If you're not licensed yet, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/training to get your license. Now, with that being said, we'll go ahead and stop recording and we will get into the Q&A session. So if